In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set statuses in ClickUp. To get started, log into ClickUp and open the workspace where you want to make your changes. Once you're inside, head over to the left sidebar and locate the specific list where you want to configure task statuses. It's important to choose the correct list first, because statuses can be customized at the list level depending on how your workspace is set up. When you've found the right list, click the three-dot menu next to the list name. This will open a drop-down with additional options for managing that list. From there, click on Task Statuses. This is where you'll control how tasks move through your workflow. In the Edit Statuses window, you'll see an option called Use Custom Statuses. If you want to create statuses specifically for this list, go ahead and select that option. This is useful when one list needs a different workflow from the rest of your workspace, especially if different teams or projects follow different stages. Next, take a moment to review the status categories you see. Not started, active, and closed. These categories help organize your statuses based on where a task is in its life cycle. Not started is typically for tasks that haven't begun yet, active is for work currently in progress, and closed is for tasks that are finished or no longer being worked on. To add a new status, click the plus button beside the category where you want it to appear. Then type in the name of your new status. For example, you might use statuses like To Do, In Progress, or Complete, depending on how you like to track your work. Continue adding any other statuses you need, and arrange them in the order you want them to appear. The order matters because it helps create a smoother workflow and makes it easier for your team to understand the progression of tasks at a glance. If you'd rather not build everything from scratch, you can also use the Status Template drop-down to start with an existing status template. This can save time and give you a solid starting point, especially if you want a more standardized workflow. Once everything looks the way you want, click Apply Changes to save your new status setup. After that, return to your list. Your new statuses will now be available, and you can start assigning tasks to the statuses you configured. Thanks for watching.